Hello everyone, how are you feeling? I wish you good luck today. So let's start our lesson. Today's our new theme of the lessons is Nature of Almaty. All cities in Kazakhstan are very beautiful, but for me, Almaty is the best one, the city where you want to return all the time. It's a place where you feel everyday life, vanity, study competition, and family, love, work, and amazing nature. The theme of the lessons is Nature of Almaty. Almaty is located in the southeast of the country. Its area is about 104 and 1900 square kilometers, with the population 2.5 people million. It stands at the foothills of the Zayliski Alatau Mountains. It's beautiful nights of Almaty. It's Palace of the Republic. The Palace of Republic is a concert hall building located in Almaty. It's intended for concerts, festivals, and other cultural events. There is museums. Ikhlas Republican Museum of Folk Musical Instruments. The next, Central State Museum, which was built in 1986. The next, Peak Talgar. It's 4,973 meters high. The first ascent of Talgar Peak was performed in 1935. It is Khan Tangri. Khan Tangri is 6,995 meters high, and it is one of the most beautiful mountains in the world. The next, Canyon of Sharon River. It is a smaller version of the famous Grand Colorado Canyon in the USA, but really it has a charm of its own. The Sharon River is the left tributary of the Ele River. The next, Shumbulak. Mountain Sky Resort Shumbulak is situated at 2,200 and 2,005 meters in the picturesque Shumbulak Gorge. The next, skating rink Meadow. The next, as we know, the 28th Panfilov Guardsman Park. There is cinemas and theaters in Almaty. The next, it is Almaty Circus. Then, Nature of Almaty. It's hotel, named of Kazakhstan. Its new words, competition, жарыс, sculpture, мүсін, an exhibition, көрме, a ropeway, жіп жолы, George, шатқал, a dike, bөгет, tributary, тармақ. Thank you for attention. Goodbye, peoples.